This is the morning after a shower of rain. This car was very dirty at the back, and there's an example of the self-cleaning, how that's worked there. You can see that up under the number plate the rain hasn't got to it, but it's washed off a big percentage of the dirt, and you can see there on the top the water beating up. So this has had a ceramic coating. I can't remember what yet. I think it's had, I'm pretty sure it's had matrix black, but we'll have to look it up. So there you go. Have to be washed anyway, but you know, there's an example of just being parked there where it's poured down the rain and done that.